hoping for change. And did you exchange? Walk on part in a war, lead all in a cage.
And I'll turn the whole lot off when people are here. So everything I'll just turn this up and everything will go up in proportion.
I see, wow.
Good evening. Oh, sorry, recording.
No.
Good evening, Tratayo. Music starts about 6 o'clock. Get your seats quickly because it's a ticket sale and there's only about 50 places left. Bring your wine, bring your drinks down, and we're going to have a burger van here soon with some burgers and chips. Bring your chairs, bring a cagoule, something like that. Okay, but don't bring cameras or video because we're not allowed to do that for security reasons. Social security reasons. Anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Thank you.
It's a nice guitar with the extended neck as well.
Yeah, it is. As I say, I practice all my lead on that.